The central bus station of Kharkiv city, the building itself was erected in 1958. But after this, during some years, a lot of local bus stations were built along the city. So for this moment, only long-distance intercity buses depart from this station. So the traffic is not so big. So to evaluate the passengers traffic, you can buy the number of buses in the platforms. On the platforms there are minimum. The advantage of this place is that it's located near metro station Gare Avenue, and the minus that there is no waiting room.